Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Moodle account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts from Moodle? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your contacts from Moodle anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common. Sometimes you're going to switch over to a different service provider, and you want to make sure you bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Moodle account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Moodle account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download or export your contact list, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Site Administration. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu across the top, and you want to click on Users. Once you do that, you'll see this drop-down menu, and in order to export your contact list, click here on Browse List of Users. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of your users in your Moodle cloud, and in order to export this list, here at the bottom, you're going to see this button, Download Table Data As, so you can open this up and then choose how you'd like to export your list. So for example, if you want to do an Excel, an ODS file, a PDF file. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and export the list as a PDF. And next you want to click on Download. Okay, a quick second later, the list downloads. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the export list looks like. It shows their full name and then their profile picture if they had one, ID number, email address, and then the last time they accessed your Moodle account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contact list from Moodle, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.